Welcome to my dear student. How are you? I am fine and thank you. Listen to me and look at the screen. How like this class identification. Dear students, let's have a look at the following sentence. He did the work, make it passive. He worked hard and succeeded in life, make it complex. Can you guess what we are going to do now? We are going to transport this sentence as directed in the bracket. Today's topic is transformation of sentence, learning outcomes. At the end of this session, student will be able to learn about voice changing, learn about degree, positive, comparative and superlative, learn about the changing of different sentences, assertive to interrogative, assertive to exclamatory, learn about the changing of simple, compound and complex sentences. At first, I want to discuss voice change. Voice is two kind, active and passive. I try to make it passive. Now, I shall discuss how to make it passive. We have to identify subject, verb and object. A series of tasks should be followed to make it passive. Object should be subject, helping verb should be used. Past participle form of principal verb, preposition especially by should be used. Subject should be object. Individual work. Answer the following question. Kamal writes a letter, make it passive. She has finished the work, make it passive. Solution to the question. A letter to written by Kamal. The work has been finished by her. Now let's discuss the method of making active voice from passive. The dog was fed by him. Make it active. To make it active, a series of same but opposite tasks should be followed. Pair words. Answer the following question. I was given a book by her, make it active. Fish is sold in the market, make it active. Necessary steps have been taken to lessen the price of essential things by the government, make it active. Solution to the question. She gave me a book. The fishermen sell fish in the market. The government has taken necessary steps to lessen the price of essential things. Now we are going to discuss the method of changing active into passive and passive into active. Group work. They are playing football in the field. Make it passive. English is spoken all over the world. Make it active. The teacher taught me English. Make it passive. I have been advised to take exercise regularly. Make it passive. Try to guess and answer the question. When you don't understand, you want to help me. Solution to the question. Football is being played in the field by them. It is correct or incorrect? If your answer is correct, okay. But your answer is incorrect, you will try again and discuss your group. Understand? People speak English all over the world. I was taught English by the teacher. The doctor has advised me to take exercise regularly. Evaluation. Now, dear students, answer the following question. I made arrangement for my Florida place. I made arrangement for my Florida place. Arrangement for my Florida place was made by me. The dog had been cared for that morning. Make it active. Homework. A patriot is loved everywhere. Make it passive. The old man watched the people walking past him. Make it passive. You may be helped in danger by us. Make it active. She can speak English fluently. Make it passive. Thank you, everybody.